Hello green thumbs and plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're venturing into the lush world of houseplants, specifically those that are a breeze for beginners to care for. Whether you're sprouting your first green thumb or simply looking to add to your indoor jungle, these easy-to-care-for plants are sure to thrive. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Now let's embark on a tour of these plants. Without further ado, let's dive into the world of easy-to-care houseplants. Our first easy-care houseplant is the spider plant. Known for its spider-like offshoots, this plant is a resilient grower that thrives in various lighting conditions, from bright, indirect light to partial shade. Watering should be moderate, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. It's also comfortable in a wide range of temperatures, making it a versatile choice for any home. With the spider plant, you're one step closer to becoming a plant parent. Next on our list is the snake plant. Its hardy nature is truly admirable. This plant is a joy to have around. Its tall, rigid leaves, streaked in shades of green, can survive without much fuss. It thrives in both bright and low light conditions and doesn't need to be watered too often, just once every 2 to 3 weeks. It's also known to purify the air around it, an added bonus. The snake plant, a perfect companion for your indoor space. Moving forward, let's discuss the pothos. This plant is known for its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines. The pothos is forgiving and can tolerate low light, but it thrives in bright, indirect light. It enjoys having its soil dry out completely between waterings. And here's a fun fact: pothos can also purify the air, making it a healthy addition to your indoor environment. Pothos, a beautiful plant that asks for little but gives a lot. Our fourth plant is the ZZ plant. Known as Zamioculcas zamiifolia, this plant is a true champion among houseplants. It's a tough character, tolerating a range of light conditions from bright to low, and requires watering only when the top inch of soil becomes dry. Its glossy, feather-like foliage along with its thick, waxy leaves can even withstand neglect, making it a perfect companion for those with a less-than-green thumb. With the ZZ plant, you've got a resilient and beautiful houseplant. Next up is the peace lily. The elegance of its beautiful white blooms is more than just a pretty face. It's also known for its air-purifying qualities, making it a great addition to any indoor space. Care for it is a breeze. It thrives in low to medium light and prefers its soil to be kept moist but not soggy. And remember, it's not a fan of cold drafts. The peace lily, a plant that brings calm and beauty into your home. Our sixth plant is the jade plant. This succulent gem is quite the charmer with its glossy, round, dark green leaves. The jade plant is easygoing, requiring minimal water, just enough to keep the soil slightly moist. Sunlight-wise, it loves a good bask in indirect light. Plus, it's winter hardy, making it a resilient choice for beginners. And did you know, it's often called the money plant and is considered a symbol of good luck? The jade plant, a symbol of good luck and easy care. Next on our list is the versatile aloe vera. This green gem is known for its healing properties and is a handy plant to have around. Taking care of it is simple. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight and only needs watering when the top inch of soil is dry. Be careful not to overwater it, as this can lead to root rot. Aloe vera, a plant that's as useful as it is easy to care for. Last but not least, we have the rubber plant. Known as Ficus elastica, it's an attractive choice for beginners with its glossy burgundy leaves. It's a hearty houseplant that thrives in bright, indirect light, but can also tolerate lower light conditions. Be careful not to overwater. Let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. It's a striking plant that will definitely add a touch of elegance to any space. The rubber plant, a bold addition to your indoor plant collection. And there you have it, 8 easy care houseplants perfect for beginners. Now, it's over to you to bring some green into your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.